Guys, Gavel smoking balls. I try for the first time.
I'm trying it for the first time kasi.
First time, di ba?
Dapat sabihin mo, I'm trying it for the first time. Hindi, I'm trying the first time.
I'm
Ano
trying
yun?
the first time. Smoking balls. Siyempre, nung bata pa ako, hindi ko yan natikman, kaya tikman ko ngayon lahat.
Wala naman yan dati.
No! Ngayon lang yan eh. Di ba? Millennial.
Beef. Blueberry na lang.
Millennial years.
So, blueberry yung ano natin flavor, guys. Blueberry.
Ano niya pala oh. Ano pa yan?
Blueberry yung flavor natin. Ayan.
Oh, blueberry po. Yun. Blueberry flavor.
It's smoking.
Nandun na yung bayad. Ay, mga